be at the bar. You're not old enough to be at the bar. Hi, I'm Davina with ForkNPlate.com, and I'm really excited to be back. As you know, times right now are tough, and 99% of my friends are out of work, including myself, which is why I made this sign. It took me 10 hours to make, so cool. Support your local bartenders, guys. Support your local bars. And this is cocktail number 1 of our cocktail series, Quarantine Cocktails, Lifting Your Spirits is what I'm calling it. So I'm going to make you a hot toddy, and I'm creating drinks that are easy to make at home that I hope you have the ingredients for. If you don't, DM me and I'll help you make a variation, no problem. So we're gonna use 2 ounces of bourbon. You can use Irish whiskey, gasoline, whatever you have at home would be amazing. It doesn't matter, okay? 2 ounces only, just 2 ounces. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. As you can tell, I'm measuring this like real well here. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, depends on how sweet you like your drink. I'm gonna add some hot water, about 6 to 8 ounces. Make sure your cup is heat proof or you'll crack it. I did that earlier, not fun. And then we're gonna do half an ounce of lemon juice. I did fresh lemon juice. If you don't have fresh lemon juice, don't be a dick. Don't use anything. Skip your lemon juice. We're gonna add all that together, give it a stir. This looks really good. And then I'm gonna do a twist here. We're gonna do a lemon twist just because I love lemon peels, lemon twists, lemon anything. It adds a little fragrance to your drink. It adds to the experience. And here it is. Here's your hot toddy. I know it looks kind of crappy, but it's definitely gonna taste good. It's gonna do the trick. And let me know how it comes out for you guys. Cheers. Holy shit.